Jaz Nichelle, and welcome back to my channel where family is always over everything. And if you haven't joined the fam yet, you're going to be missing out every single time. So today I decided to do a small little Shein haul. Is that how you say it? Shein. This is my first time ordering from them. So I have these outfits right here. Okay, yeah, I got these from Shein, and this is for the vacation that I'm going on later this week. So decided to do a separate video of it because I feel like it should be separate, you know what I'm saying? So the first one that I want to try on, did that really just happen? Y'all? I gotta get some scissors. I'll be right back. All right, y'all, got the scissors. So like what I was saying was, this is for the vacation that I'm going on. So for this vacation, it's really a vow renewal. So I needed like a white dress, per se. And me and dresses, hello? Is something wrong with these scissors? Me and dresses don't really like get along like that. Hold on, I'm gonna get some more scissors because this ain't working. Got some better ones. So like I was saying, like me and dresses don't get along like that. So I tried to do my best and find like a flowery, not flowery, but like flowy dress. So this is the dress. I will link everything down below in the description, but we're gonna go try it on. Hopefully this isn't too small because I ordered a small. And I thought I ordered like a medium. I hope I can fit this. This makes me very nervous. Let's try this on, okay? Okay, so you guys think? Y'all, I'm so excited. Hold on. Look at this. This is cute, guys. Now I'm definitely gonna have to wear like some dark underwear on this, but this is cute, and this is a small. I did not think that I was gonna be able to fit this. And then look, guys, it has like a little slit. It's giving leg. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Your girl's feeling herself. Okay. So this is how you're supposed to wear it. I don't know if I should get like a belt or not. I don't think I should. I mean, it would be cute if I did, but I don't know what type of belt to get, because if I did get a belt, it would be like right here, like right there where that lining is. So, but yes, y'all, this is the look. I don't know what shoes I'm gonna wear yet. I do have these like white sandals in my closet. I'm not gonna grab them, but this is so cute. This is cute, guys. So look out for Instagram for pictures, because this is definitely a 10. I love this. Okay, I'm gonna try on the other ones. Okay, how is she looking? We have this mint blue dress, and guys, I know that I said I'm not a dress person, but this is cute. This is real cute, and this is giving real summer vibes, and I definitely will wear this. I just have to pull this down. I think this is how you tie it, but girl, don't go after this. I don't care. This is cute. This is cute. This is cute. And this complexion, I mean, this on my complexion is beautiful. And I just would have to find a purse. Like I could see myself wearing like a tan purse with it, like a beige, if you will. I don't know, but this is cute. This is cute, and yeah, 10. Okay, this is the next one. This is my swimsuit. This is a medium up here, so I think I'm okay up here. It's down here, as you probably can see. And if I'm ashy, don't worry about it. Mind your business, okay? Mind your business. But as you can see, like, it's a little tight here. I mean, I am wearing underwear, so that could be a little bit of what it is, but my thighs, y'all, I mean, I know that it's not going nowhere. I mean, the water may pull it up, I don't know, but this is cute though. This is cute. I don't know if I'm bringing another swimsuit, but this is gonna be one of them. So I'm feeling it. She's cute. It's giving beach vibes. It's giving pull at the house vibes. It's giving cute. I don't really know how else to put it. I'm really feeling myself, y'all, because I was super duper nervous ordering online because I did not know my size, and so I was just, you know, trying to do the best I could. So I probably could have went with a large, but I think this was a set, so I feel like if I would have went with a large, it would have been a large up here and it would have been too big. So definitely would just stick with this, but this is still cute though. This is still cute. My butt's not out, so I'm happy about that. It's not too tight up here. My back, this is what my back looks like. Ooh, I'm working on my back, y'all, okay? But this is cute. This is cute. I like this. I like this a lot, so yeah. Next, honey. I know I said I wasn't gonna put on my shoes, but when I seen this dress, I said, I got black heels, but I don't really know how this would go because this is like a sweater outfit, and y'all, I'm not really good at when it comes to dress up, okay? I'm just not. I'm not good. So, but I saw these like Swedish looking boots, and I don't know if it would go because like this is how tall they are. Can y'all see? Can y'all see? That's how tall they are. And these shoes I got from Shoe Dazzle a couple of years ago. But this is like a sweater dress, and you know you're supposed to have like one shoulder out a little bit, you know, bring this up a little, you know. So I don't know if it will actually go because of the actual material that the boots are, but the black boots definitely would feel. Black boots, and I love wear all black, okay? I love wear all black, okay? Because this is a look. It's a look. It's a look. And just to get like the accessories together, y'all, this is a look, okay? Like this is a look. I just don't know if the boots would go because they're like a Swedish look and this is like a sweater look. I mean, I feel like this would be cute for like the fall. Definitely, like if you're going on a date or whatever, this would be cute for the fall. I don't know if this would be cute for Florida. Y'all let me know below. But look, I think I did a good job. I think I did a good job. I was just ordering stuff, y'all, to be honest. I really was, and I don't know, like I just didn't think that these would look like that good because I didn't know my size, and I thought this was, you know, the wrong size. This is a small. Just to let you guys know, this is a small. So I'm able to fit a small. Good to know. But yeah, I enjoyed playing dress up with y'all. I really did. So I'm glad that these outfits came out, and I'm sorry that this was so small, but I just wasn't trying to take the risk of ordering a whole bunch of stuff and possibly not even liking it or not even fitting it. But now that I know my size, I'm about to be ordering some more, but it probably won't be here by the time I leave, but you know. But I did enjoy doing this video for you guys. If you guys want me to do more, let me know in the comments below. But that's all I have today. So I love you guys. We are almost at 400 subscribers. Y'all, we are almost at 400 subscribers. I am so happy. When I saw that, I said, you like your girl? Like, y'all like me? It's like, no, I'm just kidding. But no, seriously, thank you guys for almost 400 of y'all. And we gonna keep the family growing because if you haven't joined the fam, what are you doing? What are you doing? You're gonna be missing out. But without further ado, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.